Hey, this is Harjot from Zaio, where we help you kickstart your career. We teach you how to code and provide you with the skills that you need to redefine the future of work. And today we're going to be speaking about why should you learn how to code. Like, there's no denying that technology has now taken over this huge world. It has now dominated a huge amount of different industries. Being computer literate is just not enough in this world. Learning how to code has become a buzzword. Everyone is speaking about it. From a child to an adult to entrepreneurs, everyone is speaking about learning how to code. And it's just not me speaking about this. You can listen to Bill Gates, to Mark Zuckerberg. Everyone is encouraging about coding. Everyone wants you to give it a shot.
In other words, I think the greatest value of learning I think everybody in this country should learn how to program a computer. Should learn a computer language because it teaches you how to think.
But what exactly does it entail? Why is it so important? Why is it so interesting? And we're going to talk about that today. Make sure you subscribe to our channel now, follow our socials, and we will make sure we kickstart your career. So number one, coding can lead to a software development job. Like, coding is literally the fundamental skill that is required to actually land you a software development job. Like, with the current shortages of the skills in this world, learning to code is basically an easy route for you to an open field of work. You will literally land a job with this skill. Secondly, coding can make your job application stand out. Like, there's no direct relevancy between a marketing job and coding itself. But imagine thousands of people applying for a marketing intern job or whatever job you're applying for that is not related to coding, but you have the skill coding in your CV. Like, obviously, recruiters are attracted to this skill and they're most likely to select you for that particular job. And not only that, it also opens you up into a new industry of jobs. For example, if you're applying for a marketing job in a tech industry, with a background of coding, it makes it so much easier for you to land that job. Thirdly, coding literacy can help you understand other aspects of tech. Just the knowledge of coding, getting started, the basics of coding will help you understand the language, the tech language that you speak to. You are in another conversation with a few techies inside. You can easily understand what exactly is happening. And this is such a helpful skill to have. It helps you understand other aspects of tech so much more quicker. And then all this will eventually also land you to freelance work. Like, this is the best part of coding. I learned how to code when I was like in first year of university, and that's how I really survived university time, my university expenses. I could freelance, I could work from home, I could work from university even though I have my exams coming up. I could easily adjust when exactly to work and make some extra side cash, side money that could sustain me or eventually become a full-time thing for me. Definitely something to look out for. Learn how to code, tap into a few freelance jobs, check them out. And like, most companies are also more likely to give you a freelance work because there's a lack of software developers out there. Freelance work will definitely always be available. And eventually, you will be able to pursue your projects that you are passionate about. If you have an idea that you want to bring it to a reality, that's the power of coding, guys. It allows you to bring that idea into a reality. And this is how I started Zaio. We had an idea of an interactive coding platform where I could actually interact with the code. I don't have to set up my own laptop. I can go into any browser and start learning how to code. That's what we actually envisioned, and we could actually develop it because we are software developers, and that's the power software development coding actually gives you. It allows you to bring those ideas into a reality. And the best part is anyone can do it. You don't have to be a super smart person, or you don't have to be a mathematician or a computer scientist who has a degree from university. You can be an entrepreneur, you can be a manager, you can be working somewhere. Whatever it is, you can do it. You can learn how to code. And that's what Zaio allows you to do. We have courses from absolute beginner, where you do not need to know anything about coding, the tech world. We get you started to the most advanced skills that are required for you to actually land freelance jobs and jobs in like Google and Apple, Facebook. So guys, anyone can do it. I really hope that I've motivated you in this video. Go check out Zaio.io, follow me on Instagram, follow Zaio on Instagram, as well as on other social media platforms. And I really hope to see you on the platform learning how to code, and let's actually kickstart that career.